Good afternoon. My name is Dennis Lyons, founder of Impatient Creations. We're in Alabaster, Alabama, a little town south of Birmingham. We have been having the pleasure of working on a DeLorean, an 81 DeLorean, for the past few months. It was brought to us as a car to get repaired. Now, when it showed up, it wouldn't roll. The calipers and rotors were rusted together. The windows were broken out. It had 7 gallons of water in it, and there was black mold everywhere. And he says, "Can you fix it?" And we said, "Well, you know, if we can get the parts, we can find the documentation necessary to make the repairs." So right away we called up DMC and told them that we needed some parts. And of course, their first question is, "Well, what's the VIN number?" And it's 000516. And then there was silence on the other end of the phone. So I said, "Well, are you sure it's 516?" I said, "Well, yeah, we're pretty sure. But look, there's 2 places the VIN number shows on the car. Take those pictures and text them to me, and we'll get you parts that you need." So we did that, and it wasn't too long, and they just called us right back and said, "This is real strange, because nobody's ever bought that car. Nobody's ever titled it. Nobody's ever bought a tag for that car. It's just unknown." And so that's the reason we were so surprised about it, because that's the 16th car that was ever built. We're going, our serial numbers, when they end at 516, that tells us it's the 516th car, not the 16th car. So anyway, we were surprised, pleasantly surprised. So we did a little investigating with the owner and found that a friend of a friend, and anyway, through a death, he was able to purchase the car. I don't know where it went from there, but it was, like I said, it was in horrible condition when it got to us. Based on that, it's only had 2,000 miles on it. So what we did is, instead of restoring the car, we did what we call just repair. It has all the things in it that it came in with. It has little chips on it where it came in. But we did replace the interior, we did repair the engine, we did repair the brakes, but there were no upgrades. It was just exactly like it came from the factory. When we, in counseling with DMC a couple times a week, because we're buying parts pretty regular on it, we would ask for a part, and they would say, "Well, that part's not supposed to be on that car." Well, here it is. We take a picture, you know, we're back to this. So they're used to us doing this. So we do have one with a 140 mile an hour speedometer. The challenge, or the things that they related to us, is the car 517 and 515. Those 2 on the either side of our car were used in the crash test, or the testing when they come into America. So it was, you know, they said we just thought it had been melted down someplace. They had no idea. So we went about restoring it, and I can tell you the car does great. The air conditioning does good. The car shifts. The engine runs good. When we were making repairs to the engine, we digging down, and underneath the second manifold, there was a skeleton in there from a rodent, and he had been chewing on wires and vacuum tubes, and so there's a number of things that didn't work until we started building back up, getting all the seals right, gaskets right, all of that, and we were able to get it all put back together. It runs good, got the computer all doing what it's supposed to do, and lights all work. We did do a few LED upgrades in places where we could have the doors open and not run down the battery. Just little things like that we enjoyed doing. But it was a golden opportunity for it. You can imagine the owner. He is excited about getting his car back, because the more I told him about it, the more he got excited about it. And so it's been a fun venture for us. We build a lot of cars, a lot of different cars. We deliver 3 to 5 every week, and hopefully next week that'll be one of the 5. So we enjoy doing this. If you need us, we're in Alabaster, Alabama, Impatient Creations. Thank you very much. And we present to you the DeLorean 000516.